Happy Leap Day. I'm 20 Sanity. We're actually acknowledging National Retro Day, which is Feb 27, on National Leap Day, which is Feb 29, and it only happens once every 4 years. What did I do in 2020 on Leap Day? If you figure it out, comment below. Today we're talking about Viewmasters. These things were invented in 1939. I got a vintage one. Viewmaster gift pack is permanent storage canister containing a world fame stereo viewer and 49 exciting full color 3-dimensional pictures on 7 stereo reels. So it's got copyright for the different franchises: 69, 59, 62, 64, and 70. So this is more recent than 70, but probably not by much. Also, it's starting to rain. Also, Funko put out a pop. But listen, it's not even in the retro toys line, because Fisher-Price, Mattel, currently owns Viewmaster. And look, the classic ones didn't look much different than the modern ones, because yeah, this is based on a modern one, okay, which does the exact same function, except, you know, it's Fisher-Price. I don't know why they just didn't do a retro one in the retro toys. Also, how in the heck are they coming up with 118? I feel like it's still the retro toy line. They just didn't write the word retro. Also, it's starting to rain. Also, you know how these work. Or do you? Cartoon favorites. So the point is, I don't want to get these wet. Wow. The night before Christmas. So you need 2 images to make okay, two images per disc make 1 image in your eyeball. Whatever, Jungle Book. So that puts how many? Oh, there's one missing. Look. Oh my god. There's another one missing. Beep Beep the Road Runner. Electric skateboard catapult catastrophe to catch a roadrunner. So each disc tells a different story. But I'm trying to do the math in my head. I think you only end up with 7 pictures per disc. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yeah. So 7 images. Yeah. Yeah. 1 image has to lay over the other image to give you the 3D effect. Vintage. Copyright 67. Yeah, okay. We don't want to ruin these. Let's just see what everything is. And then we'll go, I don't know. Go get some food. Everyone's branding today. Google and everybody else is branding today with frogs. Leap year, leap day. Bugs Bunny and Top Bunny. Top Bunny. Top Bunny, Top Gunny. Oh yeah. And then that's how you advance the image. Did you have one of these? Do you currently have one of these? These, these were the peak entertainment for decades. Wizard of Oz? Come on, huh? Bullwinkle, Casper, Superman, Peanuts, Woody Woodpecker, Bugs Bunny, Wizard of Oz. These are the ones that come with the gift pack. The original owner must have bought these other ones separately. These are all red. Mr. Magoo? Yeah. It's supposed to be that red? Okay, that's all Mr. Magoo. Chilly Willy! My boy Chilly Willy. I'm gonna have to watch Chilly Willy. And then there's an Air Force Museum. Cool. G.I. Joe. And Godzilla. Wow, wow, wow. Retro Day. Feb 27. Leap Day. Feb 29. Oh, that sure was fun. That sure was moderately, masterfully fun. I hope you're doing well in life. Happy Leap Day. Goodbye.